Hi, I'm Paul Basilka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and this is Luciano.
And this is Penguin. And a friend's 87-year-old millionaire. Well, actually, 1,000 in there.
Okay, so he's got thousands of dollars.
There.
And today we're going to look at the second question from the Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. It's from the easier set of math questions. Number 2 reads, the line graph shows the estimated number of chipmunks in the state park on April 1st for each year from 1989 to 1999. Y-axis, estimated number of chipmunks. X-axis, you can see, is the year. Based on the graph, in which year was the estimated number of chipmunks in the state the greatest? You should always read over the graph before. So if you know that the y-axis is estimated number of chipmunks, we're looking at the highest point. You can see that there's 150 chipmunks in 1994, and that is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty reading graphs. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on shorts. Have a great day.
And I have a Lamborghini.